And we're back to learning Illustrator in here, day 144. Let me show the Bloat tool. For that, I'll create a rectangle and you can find out where the width tool is. So if you can't find it, press Shift W and then right click on this toolbox that's highlighted. And you can see it kind of works like the eraser tool when you come from the outside and go to the inside. But you can also go from the inside to the outside and then drag these anchor points around. If you double click on the tool, you can set width, height, intensity, a couple of other details, but these three are the most important. Reset option gives you the default size of 100, and in principle it's kind of like a blow up effect. So if you think about blowing up a balloon, let me show you that on a rectangle again, and this time I'll hold Alt, left click, and then to right, left, up and down to resize. Right here my brush. And if I use it now, you can see how this gets blown up. So the rectangle turns into an ellipse of the size of my brush here. Once more, I hold Alt and then left click drag, move the mouse to resize it. And this is how the Bloat tool works in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.